Temu, Temu, give me a Temu, Temu. Shop on the Temu app now. I could be a commercial advert. Anyway, today we have, as you can see, a Temu order. One of the items in here I'm not going to be able to show, but I will show you back in probably January, because if I show you, my dad watches my channel and he's quite spiteful, because if he sees what I've bought someone, he will go out and buy exactly the same thing and ruin it for everyone. Obviously, when we give out gifts at Christmas, he likes to go out, copy the same thing, get it, and then he will basically give it to someone. He'll give it to the family member first before we've given it, and it means that we've lost out on our money, because obviously we would have to get an alternative gift. So I'm really sorry, I'm really gutted that I can't show you, but for that reason I'm going to have to show you it in January. But I will still show you, but I just can't show you at the moment. So in here we've got Titanic, I think there's a diamond painting, and obviously the Christmas thing, because there's 3 things in here. So I'm gonna just get the thing out that's I can't show you yet. It does look, I think customs have looked at this, because there's a hole in it and all this has been sellotaped back up. If you're using a mailing bag, as you know, when you flip over the mailing bag, it should be in a straight line. This has all been screwed up, as you can see, so that's definitely been looked at. Whether the camera's picked up something and they're not quite happy with it, but yeah, I've left my scissors in the other room, which is kind of annoying. But I'm going to get into here and oh wow, all right, oh, I like this. Okay, oh wow, yeah. Let me just get the thing out. Oh yeah, I can see a lot of damage. Oh man, okay, hang on a minute, we got a lot of damage in this. Wow. Let me just get this off so that I can see what... Oh my god, wow. Oh my god, this is brilliant. Okay, right, let's show you the first thing. Now, I'm going to show you this Titanic, but looking at the state of this box, as you can see, it's all dented up the top here. It's been squashed by the looks of it. Customs don't care. When they're going through your packages, you've got to remember they're dealing with thousands upon thousands of parcels, so their perspective is to get it back in the package, wrap it up and move it on. They don't care whether it's damaged or not. Now, I think this is a little bit too small. I'm not going to peel this off because for some reason it's been stuck, but you can't see it. But it's basically going to be that, a Lego model of it. And when Megan Eco told me about it on the live stream, I really fancied getting one. This is not the same as his, but I looked on Temu to see if there was anything, and it's just nice to get something different than canvases all the time, you know. But yeah, this is come a little bit smaller than I thought, but let's have a look in here. I can see it's all intact, so that's good. I'm not happy with the way that this looks, so yeah, you wait to see the painting. It is crumpled up like no tomorrow. So let's have a look in here, and oh, look at this, Nico. Wow. Okay, so this is that. I feel so weird doing Lego. The last time I did Lego, I'm 34 now. 33, 34, I can't remember. I was born in 92. And it's terrible when you can't remember your own birthday year. But anyway, last time I did Lego was way back in my childhood when I used to build it with my dad. We built a massive scene of like all different like buildings and stuff. So yeah, so this is the first bag, as you can see. We've got black and blue, so this is probably going to be the water bit. And then in here, you've got, this is going to be obviously the bit that you build the Lego onto, as you can see. So this all seems to be stuck together, but you see these will line up. So it's going to be a little bit small, but you know, I'm quite happy with that. And then obviously, oh look, we've got a piece of Lego. Okay, I don't like seeing bits like that, because when I see bits out of the packet, it makes me feel like there's some missing. And as you can see in here, I mean, someone on the reviews did actually say that there were parts missing and they couldn't complete it, but we'll have to wait and see. But as you can see here, this is our instruction manual, and that's basically going to be the size of it, I should imagine. But yeah, I just fancied really doing some Lego building. I don't think this is Lego. I mean, obviously for copyright reasons, sometimes they call it blocks. But either way, to me, blocks, Lego, it's the same thing. But as you can see, so I thought that would give me something to do, just a little bit of a breather from doing diamond painting all the time, and I can have a little model of Titanic. So yeah, so that's that. Now, I'm not happy with the state of this painting. Look at this, Angela. This is terrible. Look, this has all been screwed up, yeah, and it's all been bent and twisted and all sorts. Look at that. That is terrible. So I'm not very happy, but I'll have to level it out, because believe it or not, this is a 40 times 40. You are not going to believe how much I paid for this. 1p. I paid 1p on this on the 1p deals, and yeah, I thought I'd get this painting here. Yeah, this is not very good. Customs have done this. You can tell because it's been opened with sellotape on the mailing bag. But as you can see here, oh, this is, I'm not happy, because like this is got the amount of, look at all these crinkles in it. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. Oh, mama bear. Oh, cool. Yeah, we can iron it or something. We'll have to straighten it somehow, but as I say, customs don't care about the way they pack things. So yeah, but anyway, look at this. This is, I cannot believe I got this on 1p. Now I can exclusively say I've got a Husky on the way, again on the 1p deals. That's a 40 times 50. We should be getting that, I think, in a few days time, but there's another 2 coming tomorrow from Temu. So that one's got the woodpecker, so I can't wait to show you that if it arrives on time. Now down here you've got the little cubs, as you can see, so mama bear and the little baby bear, and then they're sitting on what looks like an iceberg or something. It's not quite an iceberg, but you know, like ice and stuff, and then they're looking at their reflection in the water here. So this is a very nice Arctic blue painting, absolutely gorgeous. I think I probably missed Linda's run today, but still early, so I reckon I could catch it in time. But this is Mama Bear. But yeah, let's just check the stick here. Yeah, this is lovely. I mean, even down, this is gorgeous. Even down to these beautiful, beautiful mountains and the snow. Yeah, this is going to be a beauty. So 24 colours on there. And as you can see here, we've got ourselves the standard tray. And then these are our very twisted train belts here. So yeah, I'll have to get this straight over to Linda. But I think last night she was saying that she recorded it already, so I might have missed it this week. Oh yeah. Okay, watch that, guys, because one just fell out on its own. So this is number 1. Oh my god, it's all falling a bit. Okay, have we got number 24? Because, oh my god, what in the world is going on here? Oh no, what's going on? Why have they given us, oh my god, like, this is really weird. We've got one single bag, we've got a 20. So does that mean they forgot to put the number 22 on here? Right, let's check this through a minute. So this is 1, that goes up to 19, yeah, 20, and then it picks up again from 21. So what they've done is they've must have realised, and they've bagged you up at 20 instead. But yeah, they must have had some sort of malfunction with the machine, because it looks like that's been cut off, look. But yeah, just watch it with this one. 20 is coming up as a 3750, which, to be fair, does look like that colour. So yeah, so just be careful with this. So as you can see, this is all complicated now. Light blue, we've got a grey colour, a brown, a beige. We've got this one, which is a black. And we've also got a brown, another brown, a peach colour, beige, no, black, green, blue, another blue, sorry, brown, a couple of more blues there, even lighter blues, really lovely there. And we got a grey colour, God knows what that colour is, grey, another grey, and the black can, obviously, your 20. So just obviously be careful with that, because they have made a bit of the balls up there, with obviously the bag being cut off. So yeah, another disappointing sort of haul, because it's all been crumpled up, but look at the picture, it's absolutely gorgeous. 40 times 50. And then obviously we have Titanic. The thing that the third thing I can't show you at the moment, because my dad will go out and get it, and I don't want that wrecked. So I will show you that in January. It is such a shame, because I would love to show you, but it's the type of person he is. He just likes to just wind people up for some reason. So yeah, I'll have to make a note and show you, or maybe I can show you Boxing Day or something, but I won't be able to show you until after Christmas, which is a shame, but it is what it is. But yeah, I'm probably going to make a cup of coffee and get started on this, I think. So yeah, as I say, it's been battered up a bit, but that's how it's going to look. So Angela, you might like this, because you like Titanic, lovey. And can I just exclusively say, I woke up today with Sharon Walbor email. She has sent another goodie box. So what's going to be in the package? We'll have to wait and see. That's due to come, I reckon, about the end of the week, because she's only just posted it today with InPost. So can't wait to see what goodies she got. It might be Halloween related, but anyway, enough blabbering on. We've got Temu back tomorrow, fingers crossed, because it's only just left London, so hopefully it will be there soon. Sorry, not London, Lutterworth, but I reckon it'll be here tomorrow. But anyway, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Adios.